going on, guys? So today, what is it? One sec. Want to be in the video? Okay, what's going on, guys? So today Aurora Cannabis had a very red day, but right now, if we're looking at them in the post market, they're currently up. So today we're going to take a look at Aurora Cannabis real quick, do some technical and chart analysis. We're going to look at the post market and talk about what could potentially happen in the pre-market tomorrow. Also, silica stock had a huge sell-off today after having 2 huge green days, which is pretty much when I bought the company and I collected profits yesterday. Today we have a huge sell-off. I'm going to touch up a little bit on that, but before we get this video started, don't forget, give me a quick thumbs up for this little puppy and me. And if you're new here, don't forget, hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button, and let's get this video started. What's going on, guys? So I wanted to make a quick little video, talk about Aurora Cannabis real quick and how they're doing in the post market. So right now, post market, Aurora Cannabis is up 4.1%. They're up 24 cents. Now Aurora had a very bad day. They were down 6.4% on the day, currently sitting at $5.85. And if we're looking at these charts right here, you could see Aurora has dipped below this $6 support line. This is the American charts we're looking at right here, and I have a line right here at around $6, and Aurora has dipped below this $6 support line. So I've been talking about these support lines for quite some time now, and today it seemed like Aurora finally went down this line, and the next support line I'll be keeping an eye out on is the $5 support line that we have right here. So 2 things could happen right now. Since Aurora is having a good post market right now, potentially tomorrow, it all depends also how we're going to do in the pre-market. We might bounce off this support line and have a green day. So at this point, Aurora can either go upwards, bounce off this support line, or it can continue to climb even lower and potentially go down to this support line, which I would consider a very strong buy at the $5. So right now we're approaching this red support line, which was at $6, and we got to question whether it's going to keep going lower, if it's going to continue to keep downtrending in between these 2 lines, or whether it's finally going to bounce off the support and have a nice run up. But at the same time, just because it has a nice run up, Aurora can potentially have a nice small little run, bounce off this support right here, and then continue to downtrend, since that's what Aurora has been doing consistently. They've been downtrending, bouncing off the support, having a nice run, and then bouncing off this resistance and continuing to sell off and continue to break below these supports. So now the question is, will Aurora keep going down, eventually go back down to the $5, or is Aurora going to eventually start uptrending? But for now, what we do have is Aurora is up 4.1% in the post market right now. And even if we check yahoo.com, they're currently up 5.13% in the post market, currently sitting at $6.15. So it's looking like Aurora Cannabis can potentially have a nice green morning tomorrow. Nothing is 100% guaranteed. Of course, any negative news can make this company sell off. We could have a nice green morning and then a sell off continue throughout the rest of the day. Anything's possible. I just wanted to keep you guys up with the post market, with the after hours. If you guys want to wake up before the markets open, you guys could check the pre-market. Usually I would live stream the pre-market, but I haven't been waking up that early lately. I'm not going to guarantee that I'm going to be up for the pre-market. Let me know if you guys want me to live stream in the pre-market. Maybe leave me up and I'll live stream in the pre-market tomorrow. Also, since I'm making a video now, I also want to talk about silica stock real quick right now and what happened to this company. So silica had a nice sell-off today, and I've said it in my previous video that silica has had a run that was way too soon and way too fast, and I was expecting a sell-off, and that's exactly what happened with silica stock. They had a 14% sell-off today, losing most of their gains, which was almost like it was guaranteed to happen, because if you see this run by silica, we're going to put up the 5-minute charts, because if you look at this run by silica, it just was instant and it went up almost 40% in 2 days. Pretty much it looked like a lot of green volume, looked to be overbought. I collected profits, made my 40%, and then pretty much immediately it had a nice little sell-off. I still have the second half of my position, which I'm still up on it. I initially started my position at $10.40, so silica is now selling off 14.86% down today, down $2.06, down on the post market 0.04%. and it was pretty much what I expected to happen with silica. Now, I had my resistance and support drawn in the previous videos, but for some reason they disappeared. For now, I'm just going to draw the two most important lines, which right here we have the support at around $10. Silica has bounced off this $10 support a couple times, and we have resistance here at around $13.50 to $13.60. So at this point, what do I expect from silica? The sell-off could continue, because one thing I also want to mention about silica is we have a gap up. Right here you could see the gap up, and usually what happens with these gaps is they tend to get filled. So we had a gap up, and on top of that we had a huge run. So I won't be surprised to silica fill this gap, potentially hit the support, and hopefully bounce off it. That would be another great opportunity to buy. I would potentially pick up the shares that I sold if silica bounced back down to this support, but there's always the possibility that silica can go below it. Maybe it could go a little below it and then break above, or it can go below it and continue to decline. But right now it seems like we're red in the post market, and we had a very red day for silica. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget, give me a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comment section whether you guys will be picking up some Aurora shares tomorrow. Do you guys think we're gonna have a green pre-market and a green day, or is the post market just acting all wacky and tomorrow Aurora will continue to sell off? Either way, guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.